Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water reservoir in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 7/16" wrench, wire cutters, and zip ties. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Pull the dual water valve down for better access to the water line. Slide out the locking clip. Then use the 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the water valve inlet line. Now pull down the clasp, detach the water filter supply line from the filter housing, and remove the supply line spacer from the notch in the upper housing. Detach the outlet line as well. Use the wire cutters to cut the 3 zip ties to release the old reservoir. Be prepared for some water to spill. Before you attempt to install the new water reservoir, unthread the 3 screws securing the upper housing. Detach the housing from the mounting posts. This will make it easier to feed the 3 new zip ties into place to secure the new reservoir. Snap the housing into position and rethread the 3 screws. Now position the new reservoir and secure it with the zip ties. Attach the outlet line to the left water filter housing port and close the clasp to secure. Seat the supply line spacer in the notch in the upper housing, then attach the supply line to the right filter housing port and close the clasp. Fully insert the new water valve inlet line into the port on the valve and slide in the locking clip to secure. Reseat the water valve. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.